take 599. Apparently I missed grilled cheese day, so I'm going to make a grilled cheese. I'm going to use a few different ingredients so it's not just a regular plain old grilled cheese. So, oops. Besides butter, I'm also going to use just a little bit of bacon grease. Actually, I didn't soften it, so I'm going to do that in the pan, and it'll still soak up the flavors. So I'm going to butter. Flip that over so I know the right side. Put this guy in the pan. Turn the pan on. And start getting the other ingredients ready. So, I don't even have to do that yet. I'll put that to the side. Put my butter to the side. And I'm going to use a little bit of mozzarella. Oh, that one's not even. I might eat that. There we go. So, a little bit of mozzarella. A little bit of cheddar. A little is good, a little more is better. Put that to the side. Oh, and my cheese addicted cat is here because she's cheese crazy. All right, so we have that, and some brie, and that is the best part of it, is the brie. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, maybe 5. Oh, maybe I'll just eat that piece too. Yeah, that works. All right, no, Piper, no more cheese for you. She swipes. Piper swipes. So I'm gonna pick you up. This is Piper. She'll get my finger if I'm not careful. Whoop. Cheese nuts. Cheese nuts. Mia. Oh, I'm gonna use all my cheese up if I'm not careful. Yoo-hoo! Cheese! Cheese! Yoo-hoo! All right. So let's take the cheese. Oh, there's a piece. You want to catch that, Piper? Uh-oh, you missed it. You missed it. So I'm going to go over here. Sorry, it's shaking, but I'm just using my phone. And I have the cheapest, tiniest little tripod thingy to hold on to. So it just is what it is. So which way do I want to go? We'll do some cheddar. Turn that down a bit. I can hear it sizzling. Maybe it's sizzling too much since I want to add so much stuff. Oh, that's a lot of cheese, guys. I'll keep one little piece for you guys still. Some mozzarella. Oops. You can go there, and you can go there. And now, for the pièce de résistance, the brie. Everything's better with brie. All right, so I'm gonna go back over here. Gonna put you back over here. I don't know, that's a good angle. Sorry about the bumping, but it is what it is. That's for the kitty cats. So I'm going to, yeah, you can see, I'm gonna put some red onion on. I am going to put some ham on. It's going to be so big I'm not going to be able to eat it. 1, 2, 3. This isn't for you, but that is for me. Nothing like snacking while you eat. Oh, my garlic. I love garlic. Garlic is good everywhere. It's a little trick to peel it is if you just put your hand on it, crush it a bit, it usually pops out of the peel. You don't need any fancy gadgets. And a little trick to cutting it, although I'm not going to dice it fine, I don't think, is if you put a little bit of salt, especially if you want to dice it, cut it with a little bit of salt, and the salt helps it from getting so sticky. There we go. Yummy. Give me a piece of that too. All right, and well, I'm not sure this is going to fit, but I'm going to try some tomato. Give it some moisture. All right. So let's go back over. I don't know. Can you see? Can you see the pan? You can see the pan. All right. So I am going to put the tomato on first, I think, so that it sort of sticks to the cheese. And hopefully, and that's a lot of garlic, but I really like garlic. And since I'm single, it doesn't matter if I got garlic breath. The animals don't care. Some onion, and that's a lot of onion too, but why not? And my ham. Oh, I want that juice too. Alrighty, lay that down. I'm gonna butter my next piece of bread, and then I'll be right back. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of that bacon grease in the pan. All right. Fingers, it tastes so good. 1 minute. I want to make a slight adjustment. I want to season it. Inside rather than outside. So now flipping it will be interesting, but I'll get it. There we go. So I'm gonna let that sit there a minute. You can keep watching. That's cooking away. It's probably, I turned it down, but it's sort of melting up. It's all homogenizing. So now what I'm gonna do is put a plate on it. And what do I have handy? I have a nice big tomato can. Now I'm gonna squish her down a bit. Can you hear that sizzle? So, while that is busy doing that, San Marzano for the win. The can is acting like a, I don't know, maybe a panini type press. And we're going to give Piper some cheese. Piper! Oh, there she goes. Was that good, Piper? Kadina. You missed out. Oop. Cat fight. There's another one way over there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. And there's even still another one. Old Brindle. Hey guys. So, back to the grilled cheese. I'm gonna turn it off. Take my can off. Take my plate off. And that's one big melty pile of yum. So, I think I'm just going to use the board to plate it up. Let's see what that's done on that side. Oh, it's nice and brown. I like it brown and crispy. Again, I'm sorry, it's kind of bumpy and shaky, but when you have a crappy little tiny phone holder, that's what it is. So I'm going to let it rest actually for just a minute so it doesn't drip right out. Look, we've got some crusty bits of cheese. All right, so actually while we're there, waiting for that, I'm going to show you a little trick. So everybody talks about the paper towel method of germinating seeds. I'll hold it up to the window. And you can see I have some little pepper seeds in here. And actually these were just from a pepper from the store, grocery store. Just a red pepper. But I thought I'd see what's up with them and if they wanted to germinate. They were already doing that in the pepper. So, and my little trick is I put them in the microwave. And actually I'm going to take it off that little plate for now. And I have it, where are we there? There we are. I have it in the microwave. I don't actually even use a microwave very much. I store stuff in it. And I might melt something in it or, I don't know, whatever. Something really simple. I don't really cook with it. But, so you can see the seeds are sitting on the floor in the baggie. And because it's a range microwave, I have the light for the stove on. And that will actually heat this microwave up. The other trick is you could use the microwave for something, have it on, and then it's a little bit warm inside, and do it that way. But even without putting the light on, the microwave is always a little bit warmer. So anyway, so I'm going to put them there and just shut the door. I'm going to leave the light on for a little extra amount of time. And that will heat up that microwave quite significantly because it's right here. And that really helps seeds germinate. So anyway, that's a little tip, trick, whatever you might like to call it. And let's see here. Now, nope, it's got to go that way because I can't hold it and cut. Now I'm going to cut my lovely grilled cheese. Let's see. So that looks really good. Look at that. And because I put that plate and can on it, it all kind of pressed together and homogenized, and it isn't just like a piece of bread that wants to slide away from all that extra stuff, because when you add a bunch of other stuff, then the other piece of bread doesn't get sticky, and so it doesn't want to stay. So you want a bite?